Hello everyone, I'm Samjana Mainali and today I'm back with a new video from the general management, that is decision making. Today we will be dealing with one very important questions, that is the process of decision making, which might be asked for 5 marks. And here we have the question: explain the process of decision making with suitable example, 5 marks. For this, firstly we have to define decision making. So decision making is the process of selecting the best course of action from the set of the alternatives with the objective of achieving predetermined goal or to solve the existing problem. Decision making is the continuous and the dynamic process which involve the series of the activities such as. So first step is identifying the problem. At the first step of decision making, the decision maker identify the existing problem that need to be immediately solved or resolved. A well defined problem statement ensure focus analysis and better solutions. For an example, a bank noticed that the level of the consumer satisfaction is significantly declining. There is increase in the customer complaint, and which ultimately reduce the consumer retention. This is the problem that has been identified by the bank, and this problem need to be immediately solved. So this is the first step of the decision making, is to identify the existing problem. And the next step is and the next step in decision making process is to gather the information. After identifying the problem, the related and the relevant and accurate information has to be gathered from various internal as well as external source. The information from can be gathered from the primary as well as secondary source. This include analyzing the previous report, conducting survey, and seeking expert opinion. For an example, in the previous step, the decision maker identified that there is significant decline in the consumer satisfaction. Now the decision maker gather the informations why the consumer satisfaction is significantly declining. For this, the bank conduct consumer survey, examines service feedback, and review competitor practices to identify where and what exactly the bank is lacking. So the second step is to identify the is to gather the relevant informations from the various sources.